The Swiss National Bank cut its rate by another 25 BP yesterday. The latest uptick in inflation didn't bother the Swiss policymakers, who considered that inflation remains in check in Switzerland. They preferred to give the economy, especially the Swiss exporters and families with mortgages, the additional support they needed. The market reaction was immediate. The Euro-Franc rallied above 0.95 level, and hence returned to the positive trend. Even though we shall see short-term buying waves due to safe haven demand, the franc will likely remain under the pressure of a dovish SNB stance in the longer run, and we could see one more rate cut before the year ends if inflation remains under control. The lower rates and a softer franc fueled the appetite in Swiss equities as well. The SMI index gained 0.56%. In the UK, a rate cut was not on the menu of the Brits on Thursday, but the accompanying statement was finely balanced, more dovish than expected, and revived the expectation that the Bank of England could announce a rate cut as early as in August. And because the market was pricing a rate cut not before November before the meeting, yesterday's decision sent cable to 1,2654. There is one more hurdle to an August cut, and it's the BOE's new member Claire Lombardelli, who could be more hawkish and may prevent the dovish camp from reaching the 5 voters needed to secure a cut. Right now, we're at 2. Anyway, the more dovish than expected BOE statement, and a softer sterling boosted appetite in FTSE 100. A further advance in oil prices certainly helped. As crude tested the $82 per barrel resistance, as the EIA data showed that as oil inventories declined 2.5 million barrels last week. European stocks on the continent were also better bid. The Stoxx 600 jumped almost 1%, and the French CAC 40 gained more than that after France's first government bond sale since Macron called snap election saw a healthy demand. Investors are worried, but not devastatingly worried, about the outcome of the upcoming snap election that could offer Marine Le Pen's National Rally a majority in the parliament. The mood in Europe is slightly better at the end of this week than it was by the end of last week.